Welcome to the Haplast YouTube channel. Today we will introduce an essential step in the quality testing of packaging products, the burst strength testing process. Step 1. Machine setup. Input the product code and thickness specifications. Step 2. Preparation. Prepare the test sample, cutter, ruler, pen, test weight, and testing machine. Step 3. Conducting the test. Cut a 20-centimeter strip of film and prepare a 4-meter long sample. Select a weight that matches the film thickness based on the quality standard chart. Secure the prepared test sample in the clamps and release the weight. If the film breaks upon impact, the sample fails. If the film remains intact, the sample passes. For passing results, increase the test weight by 5 grams. For failing results, reduce the test weight by 5 grams. Repeat the process until there are 10 pass results and 10 fail results. The software will provide an average test result. Step 4. Evaluation. Compare the results with the factory's quality standards and the approved customer sample. Assess whether the quality meets the required standards and record the results in the summary file, then submit the report.